Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I will briefly talk about why I think and believe that Edmodo is the best online learning platform. I've used Edmodo for almost 5 years now, and I can say that it is 100% free for the teachers and also free for your students. So if you're a teacher and you are looking for an online platform to use for this pandemic or during this COVID-19 pandemic, I will advise you to use Edmodo. It is free for you, it is free for your students. And also Edmodo has an app which students can also download to their phones and they can be on the go. Now, I will show us few things here why I prefer Edmodo to other online platform. Now, if I continue, I want you to know that Edmodo are working to add a live classroom. I believe that will be up in the next few months. But the reason I love Edmodo, one of the reasons is that I can easily send messages to my students, either as a message. I can click on this box, and as you can see here, I can interact with my students via this message icon. I can send them a message, they can send me a message, and I can also respond to their questions. That's one. Two, I can also send a message to my class by using a post. All I do is just to click on a class. I click on a class, then I click on this box here. See that? I can type a post here and send to my students. That is amazing. Now, I can send this post to more than one class by clicking this plus icon. Look at that, click on it. I can send it to more than one class. I can send a post to more than one class. This is why I love Edmodo. And also I can create a poll and also do a wellness check. These are very important to assess your students immediately. All right, so I can also send a post using Edmodo. Now, the third reason why I love Edmodo is that I can easily organize my class materials under this library icon. Click on it. Wow. Oh, as you can see here, these are my various folders for my classes. If you want to learn how to create folders, you can look at my other videos on how to create folders. Now, as you can see here, these are folders for different classes that I have taught and teaching this semester. So with Edmodo, you can organize your class materials in a very orderly manner. Look at it. As you can see here, all my quizzes are on a folder. I can always load my previous quizzes and use them, edit again and again. Here is all my assignments are on this folder. And also you can connect your Edmodo to your OneDrive and to your Google Drive. Oh my gosh, I love this feature. Now, the other reason why I love Edmodo is this. I can monitor and manage my class by putting my mouse on these classes. As you can see here, I can manage my class. I can click on what is due to know or to check the assignments that are due. I can also check my students' grades by clicking on progress. Yes. Now, these are my students' grades for this semester. I think this semester we've done theory coursework. So these are the grades that has come in. So with Edmodo, I can monitor their grades, and their grades automatically are loaded on this gradebook, which at the end of the semester I can decide to export to my computer. Also, I can check what is due by clicking this. Yes, good. This is it. So these are all the assignments and quizzes I've given to my students so far. If I want to check for a particular class, I can click on this. Okay, click on this class. Yes, good. So I can see the list of assignments and quizzes I've given to this class. All right, good. Also, the last thing I want to show us today is that you can also manage your class. Click on class management. Yes, right here you will see a list of all your classes on Edmodo. These are all my classes on Edmodo. This is why I love Edmodo. Now, if you think you want to uh, hide or place a class that you have finished for the semester, you can just archive it by clicking on these three dots. You can archive the class. That is it. That's it. So I can archive some of my classes, and I can also restore the classes if I choose to by clicking on this icon here. Then you view my archive class. Here are a list of all my archives classes. I can decide to restore if I choose to. I can restore, and that's it. That is it. So all right. Yes, so as you can see here again, the class has been restored. So these are some of the reasons why I can boldly say that Edmodo is the best online platform for you, even in these times and beyond. So if you want to learn how to use Edmodo, you can check my videos. I have some videos on how to use most of the features on Edmodo. So I hope you agree with me that Edmodo is the best online platform. It is 100% free for you as a teacher and for your students. I hope you try it out. Thank you very much for watching this video. God bless you. Bye bye.